Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore the incredible power and flexibility of Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, also known as Amazon EC2. This service provides scalable computing capacity in Amazon Web Services Cloud, and it's an essential tool for anyone working in the cloud computing space. So let's start. What is Amazon EC2? Basically, Amazon EC2 eliminates the need to invest in hardware upfront. This means you can develop and deploy applications faster and more cost effectively. With EC2, you can launch as many or as few virtual servers as you need and manage everything from security and networking to the storage. One of the key advantages of EC2 is ability to scale if your application needs to handle changes in requirements or spikes in traffic. EC2 allows you to scale up or down quickly and reducing your needs to forecast the traffic or extra task for planning. Now let's dive into Amazon EC2 features. First, EC2 provides virtual computing environments known as instances and pre-configured templates for these instances known as Amazon Machine Images or AMIs. These instances can be configured with a variety of CPU, memory, storage, and networking capacity known as instance types. EC2 also offers secure login information for instances using key pairs. AWS stores the public key and you store the private key in a secure place. So when you want to connect to your EC2 instance, you use your private key to connect to your EC2 instances. In terms of the storage, there are instances store volume for temporary data and also EBS or Amazon Elastic Block Store Volume for persistent data. Regards the Amazon EC2 locations, your resources such as instances and EBS volumes can be located in multiple physical locations known as regions and availability zones. Amazon EC2 security groups is some sort of firewall in AWS. EC2 provides security groups that lets you specify the protocol ports and source IP ranges that can reach your instance. For some applications, maybe we need the static IP address, and in AWS EC2 provide static IP version 4 addresses known as elastic IP addresses. And you can also create and assign metadata known as tags to your EC2 resources. And finally, EC2 allows you to create virtual private clouds or VPCs that are logically isolated from the rest of the AWS cloud and can optionally be connected to your own network. That's all for today. I hope this has helped you understand this powerful tool a little bit better. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon.